Yeah. Where's that rat? He was just right there. Did he die? Yes, he did. Bark. Bang. Yeah, I think so. Let me just run over here. Get closer. Is there anybody nearby? Let's get in combat here. Yeah. So they said go east then north. So this is where I came out of and went up into that area. And this is where I came down. So I'm guessing... No, this is where I went up. So where does that go? How? Is this junk? Well, there is an item that I picked up in here. I've been kind of keeping my eyes peeled, but it's dark. Trying to keep my eyes peeled. I'm guessing this is my goal. I'm just gonna talk to the rat. Yeah, there's so many different types of memory and RAM stick. I mean, it's especially now with the AI memory thing. But I've worked on laptops before, and RAM in laptops can be difficult because it's like it's got the same connector, but it might not be the same memory modules type. So oh, is it one of those? It's like teeny tiny little connectors that you need like friggin' forceps to get into. He bit me. Charlie bit me. Okay, that rat's name was Charlie. And you can't convince me otherwise. Yeah. Yep. Get a little jiggle jiggle. It can be finicky, and gotta take extra care not to damage Bang. Bang. You're dead. Dead. Okay. Oh, that was quick. Bang. You're dead too. Anyone else? That's it. All right. Where are we at now? Almost. More pizza. Thank you. All right. Why do I feel like that was utterly useless? Okay. So, I'm thinking the place I need to go is in here. I'm also thinking I can't do that without convincing this dude. Right, that's that guy. Okay. Well, that was a fun little romp in the sewers, I guess. So I'm gonna come over here and save it. Harry Rizz?
Hey, you not look like ghoul. How come? You not ghoul. I knew. Not full Harry.
Yeah. Okay, so that
You
doesn't
not
work.
ghoul. Or to say, not ghoul. Lou tell me watch place. Not let no one in. Not normal's most. Ooh, Harry confused. You not. No. Harry no.
Okay. Save scum. I don't have Harry Rizz. Man, that sounds awful.
Hey, you not look like ghoul. How come?
Okay.
You not
Really
ghoul.
snazzy.
I knew. Not full Harry.
That's not... Okay.
You not ghoul. Lou tell me watch place. Not let. Ooh, Harry could. Harry think.
My charisma is pretty high.
Hey, you not look like ghoul. You not ghoul. I knew. Not full Harry. You not ghoul. Lou tell me watch place. Not let no one.
Do I have to fight these guys? Like, do I have no choice? Or am I just dumb? Being dumb. Or not dumb enough?
Hey, you not look like
Okay.
ghoul.
Let me try convincing him I am a
How
ghoul.
come? You not ghoul. I knew. You not ghoul. Oh,
Really? Okay. That's, guess that's just how that happens, huh? I'll be going now. Okay, have a nice day. I did. It's like down here somewhere, right? Why are you in? Okay, that's 2. Good trying. Try using the junk on it. Oh, that, right? Okay. Item. Oh, crap. Did it? Do I have to reload before I talk to dude? Probably, huh? No. Okay. Fix water. Crowbar might work on the log. Okay. See, I have to change my mindset because I guess I'm used to newer games handing me the answer instead of having to actually investigate and use my brain. Oh, good. Good. Having a difficult time. You somehow managed to destroy the parts. You mean that? Okay, maybe I need to use my repair skill. Hmm. 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 Hey, did it open? What do you want? I'm here to let you out. Great, do it. Ah. Okay. So so I'm guessing, like, say if you were not safe scumming, you would then you would have to steal the water chip. Hmm. I feel like I'm doing something wrong here. Okay. Huzzah! Okay. Hmm. I wish there was a way I could up one of these, because I really would up the agility. Oh, well, dang. Hmm. I never use unarmed. I should have invested more in doctor instead of first aid. Let's just get this up. I've also seen what big guns can do. So, we'll say done there. Okay. All right, the water pump is done. Uh-huh. This goes down and then down again. Feral, right? These are feral. Glowing. Oh. Ouch. Oh, well, that wasn't too bad. Ian, I swear if you shoot me. Bang. Okay. Oh, man, there's a vault here. Oh, wow. Okay. I'm guessing this is where the water chip is. Oh, okay. Hold on. Is this where Lou and them are hanging out? I feel like I shouldn't go down there. Ah, gotcha. Okay. Bazinga. You got me. Okay, here we go. Let's go get that water chip. Yeah, I just figured maybe when I went down the elevator, things would get, you know, brighter. Floor 2, because I'm guessing this is 1. So this how it's gonna be. Bing. My eye! That's where I shot you. Run away. Bang. Oh, dog meat. I will eat your liver. The groin, they sometimes... Oh, nice. The groin. Bang. Oh! Did I just pick Ian to shoot? Good. Good. I'm sorry, dude. Hold on. No, 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 no. Is he like aggro to me now? Did I screw something up here? Dang it. I didn't mean to do that, dude. Ah, that sucks. Oh, when was the last time I saved? No. Okay. Well, I can't have Ian mad at me. Is it still broken? Okay. So I guess I could go back down and talk to dude for the repair books now. Yeah. Okay. Well, let's go. Come on out here. Can't remember where this friggin' door is. Are you moving? You are moving. Okay. All right. He's dead. This way. Come on. Boy, the pathfinding. Not great. I could have seen myself getting really irritated as a kid playing this game. Though I shouldn't have been playing this game as a kid. Okay, this guy. Item in my slot, use it display. Oh, you're talking about the junk? I have to remember that too. Yeah, but I've let's see. Do you have the parts needed? Yes, here they are. Excuse me, need some help with the parts. Here's some books. Okay. So we're gonna pass some time here, but if I get the water chip, then it won't matter. Oh. Oh. There. Cool. Now, repair is 44% now, and it was what, like 25? Going this way. You moving? Nope. All right. The way the map controls kind of makes me think a little bit of StarCraft whenever that I played that when I was a teenager. A little, not a lot. Okay, I keep bumping my mic. Here. It's sort of out of... Sorry about all the bumping. Sort of out of view. There we go. Can y'all still hear me okay? Oh, that's a cool little freeze frame right there. Cool. All right. Oh, it is nighttime now. I read 2 books back to back. Of course it is. So we're gonna go. Do I have to pass another skilled speech check? Three, actually. You're right. Yeah. But it's 18 hours, 6 hours per book, I think, if I remember correctly. Okay. Now, repair. Use you on you. Boom. Okay. That was a whole lot easier. Holy moly. Yeah, I feel like I need to up my speech to 100 and then up big guns, because big guns like rocket launchers and miniguns, right? I feel like that it would benefit me a lot. Okay, now I have to go to the vault, right? I even saw there was a mod where he like automatically opens the doors, and man, I wish I'd have looked into that before starting a playthrough. So for Fallout 2, before I start that playthrough, are there mods that you recommend for quality of life? Is it the same? The oh, FO2 tweaks. Okay. I know that there is a Fallout 1 and 2 where they basically take Fallout 1 and put it in the 2 engine because it's a little different from this one. Mostly it's just like it's quality of life stuff. I'm not, and I guess there might be some Fallout at 2. Okay. Maybe some graphics stuff, but I mean, there's nothing wrong with this. This game is what it is, you know, like you don't need the graphics better. Maybe better resolution settings or something for, you know, like a full screen windowed mode would be super cool. That holds the resolution that you set it to instead of resetting itself to your monitor's resolution. That would be cool. Okay, you know what? Done. Yes. What vault number is this? Vault. Water chip. Let's just do water chip. Oh, got him. Some very good QL stuff. Be your partner. Yeah, I saw that. I was, like I said, today I did a little research on mods for this game, and it's like, man, like you can actually make it so your companion levels with you and you can tell them how to do it, and